In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the visibility of your Behance profile, specifically focusing on how to make it private. Whether you want to make your entire profile hidden or just certain projects, these steps will guide you through the process easily. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Behance account. This is your gateway to customizing your profile, so make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll manage various aspects of your Behance profile, including your privacy settings. The Account Settings area acts as your control panel for all things related to your account, allowing you to personalize it to your liking. Next, navigate to the Privacy Settings section. This area is crucial for anyone wanting to maintain control over who views their profile and projects. The options here are designed to give you peace of mind and the ability to define who has access to your creative work. Now, in the privacy settings, look for the option labeled Make My Profile Private or something similar. It's worth mentioning that Behance updates its interface from time to time, so the exact wording might slightly vary. Don't worry if you don't see the exact text mentioned here. Just keep an eye out for anything that indicates profile visibility. Once you've located the correct option, it's time to take action. You'll see a toggle switch next to the option. Simply toggle it on, and voila, your profile will be hidden. This means it won't show up in search engine results, and individuals who aren't logged into Behance won't be able to view your profile. It's an effective way to ensure that only you and people you allow can see your profile. It's important to note that this setting impacts the entire profile, so if you're looking to showcase some of your work, but not all, you might want to explore other visibility options. However, if privacy is your priority, making your entire profile private can provide an added layer of security and control over who sees your creative portfolio. By following these steps, you've successfully controlled the visibility of your Behance profile, enhancing the privacy of your online presence, and ensuring that your work is accessible only to those you choose. Thank you for tuning in today. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.